So, hold on for a while, guys. We will be just
We're
going
just
live
setting up.
to our YouTube.
Okay.
Are we on? Nice one.
Ayan.
All right, welcome guys. Good afternoon to everyone and welcome to special edition of Move by Solar Sports. So my name is Coach Rio de la Cruz and I am with Nicole, my wife. So we will be doing a full body workout today. So you can actually use this if you're a runner to be as your alternative workout while we are in the home quarantine. So I hope you enjoyed our first session last time. And for those who are joining us or watching for the first time, actually this is our second workout.
Oh, yes, and we would like to welcome you, and I hope you're going to enjoy our workout today. So what we're going to do is we are going to show you all our workouts, and then right after that the intensity actually depends on you on how you're going to make it more intense, or if it's too much for you, you can also tone it down.
Yes.
So with this one, I'd like to ask Coach Rio, di ba? Kasi mga runners, para to sa mga runners. So ano yung tip na for the beginners na maibibigay mo sa kanila?
Okay. So this is actually the good what do you call this? Good start for those who want to start to be fit or involved into fitness. So for the first timer or beginner, I suggest you write your goal, of course, no? And then in terms of exercise duration or quantity, I suggest at least 3 to 4 times a week. So if, for example, let's use the Monday, Wednesday, and Friday as your regular workout day for our beginner. So for Monday, I suggest you do lower body workout, and then Tuesday rest. Wednesday you can do upper body workout, and then Thursday rest. And then on Friday, we can concentrate on the abdominal or core exercises. So what we are doing today is full body workout. And for those beginner nga, I would suggest na focus on the execution of each exercise rather than the quantity and the yung hirap or yung intensity ng exercise. So since for beginner, I suggest also na concentrate on the endurance muna para at least ito yung ating magagawing foundation. So as a runner, normally yung number one na sa list namin na ini-improve muna, lalo na yung mga distance runners, is of course the endurance. Okay?
Okay, so that's a great insight and input for the beginner runners, no? So I suggest also, if you are really from sedentary lifestyle going into an active lifestyle, I suggest that you would at least have a medical checkup first and check if the kind of workout you are into going, like kunwari running, is actually for you, diba? So kailangan malaman natin kung ano ang yung health natin, if it is fit for us, and limitations. So, and then, right, of course, you have to have a goal. It is something that will motivate you to keep on going. Kasi once you have a goal, it will push you to keep on running eh. So,
or exercise,
yeah. And working out does not only pertain to just running. It doesn't pertain to strength workout. It all depends on the kind of activity that you are passionate about for you to sustain it. So important talaga sa atin is to just keep on moving.
Yes.
Right? And one way for us to show you is, of course, through running. So that's why we have this special full body workout for runners. So let's move at our homes, and even during this quarantine situation that we are into, we have to keep active, diba? We have to be active in our own ways.
Yes.
So we have to be creative in what we have.
Yes.
Yan.
And of course, sa ating mga beginner, importante na meron tayong warm up and cool down after, before and after our exercise. So ano ba yung goal, bakit ba tayo nag-warm up? So basically, we want to increase our core body temperature. We are preparing our muscle, our body doon sa exercise na gagawin natin. So yung range of motion, ini-improve din natin siya. So sa mga joints natin. And at the same time, yung cool down naman is important para ma-relax yung muscle natin. Okay? And then sa mga beginner, first time na gagawin yung workout, expect natin na ma-feel natin na meron tayong muscle pain after. So it's normal lang kasi yung hindi pa sanay yung muscle natin doon sa exercise na ginagawa natin. So ang tawag doon ay DOMS, no? Delayed onset muscles, if mararamdaman mo bukas pero ngayon ka nag-exercise. Okay?
So I think, I hope that you are all ready to work out with us.
Mm-hmm. And our workout nga, full body workout, this is actually beneficial for our runners because normally our runners, yung exercise na ginagawa karaniwan is yung running, moving forward. So nane-neglect natin yung mga small muscles natin na hindi nagagawa sa movement ng running. So meron tayo dito gagawin mamaya ng lateral movement, no? Tapos mga core exercises natin na maaari niyong gawin. So again, we will be doing the 10 exercises one set lang. And then if you can write it down later on, you can continue working the second and third set if you like. Okay?
Yes. And good thing about this one is we will, after this live workout, you will be seeing also this video.
Yes.
So in that way, you can work out with us again whenever you feel like it.
Yes.
And then if you feel like bitin pa, you can do for 2 or 3 more sets of this workout. So we just have to get ready because we're going to start working out. But make sure you have your towels and waters with you.
No equipment needed for this workout.
Yes, exactly. No equipment needed. But if you have a mat, better, because we're going to do also floor exercises. Okay?
So again, we will be having 10 exercises. Each exercise will last for 30 seconds and then 30 seconds recovery. And then after that, I think a total of 10 minutes workout. So that's one set. So if you want to go for 3 sets, you can actually do that. So you will have a 30-minute workout. So if you continue, okay?
Let's just ask if you still have any questions for you to raise for Rio because he is a runner. Hello, Ernan. Si Boss Ernan.
Okay,
Ayan.
so again, welcome to special edition of Move by Solar Sports. So we will be doing a full body workout for runners. So if you are ready, please, we will do our warm-up now.
Okay. We are all set. Later, right after the workout, you can ask more questions regarding running, working out, whatever you have in mind. Please feel free to ask us questions. Thank you for staying with us first in our first 5 minutes and listening to our tips and advice for running. Okay?
Nice one. Okay,
Let's get ready.
Yes, warm up. Okay, position. Okay, so let's start with our jog in place. So 30 seconds exercise lang to. Okay, are you guys ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's jog in place in 30 seconds. Ready, set, go. Warm up. Okay, lift your arms, swing your arms, lift your knees. Okay,
Just stay in your place.
If
Yes.
you have enough space, you can do forward or
And backward.
Okay, nice one, guys.
So again, this is for us to increase our heart rate. So just keep on moving. And we're warming up our muscles to prepare us for this exercise.
Yep. All right. Last 5. Okay. And 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, next natin, knee hugs lang, then jog in between.
Okay.
Okay? So, ready, set, go, hug. 1, 2, 3, jog. 1, 2, 3, jog. 1, 2, 3, jog. 1, 2, 3, jog. 1, 2, 3, jog.
So this one, we're doing a dynamic stretch
Yep.
for us to increase our heart rate.
Yep.
So better to than static.
Yep. Last 10. So, because we will be having some movement later on, dun sa main set natin.
Stretch well.
All right. Okay, next one, quad stretch. But again, we will be having our jog in between. Okay, ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, jog. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
So this is
Last
just
time.
our warm up.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright.
Alright.
So next natin, 2 touches. Okay, then jump in between. So we normally call this with our team na planting rice. Okay? Okay, ready? Go. Down. Jog in between. So ma-feel yung stretch, hamstring to your calves. Okay. Nice one. Jog. Stretch. Nice one.
So I hope you're feeling the stretch
Nice one.
on your hamstring,
Go, go, go.
muscles. Come on.
Okay, last
Move.
10. Nice one. Last 5.
Okay.
Nice one. Alright. Okay, next natin, one more na lang. Yung heel toes roll. Okay, ready, go.
Hands on your hips.
Yep.
Okay.
So this one para sa ating gastrocnemius. And of course, yung tibial muscle natin.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay,
Last
guys,
15.
just keep on moving because we want our heart rate to increase, diba?
Yep.
Okay.
And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. So, I hope you guys na warm up na yung body natin. So, we will proceed with our next workout or our main workout. So, first thing we'll do our
Okay, hold on.
yeah,
Timer. We're gonna set our
lateral
timer.
hops. So start tayo from standing position. You can put your arms here or in front. So it's actually jumping side to side lang, using your both feet.
Okay, go.
Okay, so like this. Okay, you can put your arms here. If you're a runner, you can do swing your arms. You can do that.
So let's swing our arms because this is for runners, okay?
For beginner, you can do a little ano lang,
Little
Up.
movement.
little hops.
Yeah.
But if you can do bigger hops, much better. Okay, but medium lang.
Yes, because we want to stay in the screen.
Last 2, 3, 2,
Okay.
1. Okay. So next exercise natin, a skip. So this one lang. Lift your leg back up and then hop on the left side. Okay, so this one. Okay, slow, then fast. Okay, side, 90 degrees, angle of the hips, and dorsiflex. Okay, swing arms, elbow 90 degrees.
5 seconds.
Shoulder movement should be coming from your shoulder.
Okay, go.
Okay. Go, move. Tiptoes yan, guys, tiptoes. Dorsiflex. 90 degrees elbow, 90 degrees angle ng hips, and knee.
So this will actually help you have that push off on the ground, diba? So, yeah. For runners,
Last 5.
you use this one when you run. The push off is important. Okay.
Okay.
Rest.
S.
Okay.
5 hydrant.
The next one, get your mat to protect your knees. If you don't have a mat, then that's okay.
Towel. You can put towel.
Yes. So what we're going to do now is we're going to be in a quadruped position. That one, you maintain your core tight. Raise your right leg outwards. Okay, that's fire hydrant. And then we do a little crunch, moving the right knee to the left hand. Same one on the other side. Ready? Go. Raise, crunch. Other side, raise, crunch. Again, raise, crunch to the other side. This one, we're working on our core and also obliques when we move.
Last
Crunch. 10 seconds, guys. Okay, go. Maintain
Next
your
one.
core.
Okay.
Okay, we rest.
Okay. Next
Next.
exercise.
Okay, we stay on the ground, on your back. This is the Russian twist. I think everybody's familiar with it. All you have to do is just raise your body up, and then twist on the side. Okay, Rio's going to show you on the side view, me on the front.
Okay, last
Okay,
five.
4, 3, 2, 1. Now move. 1, 2.
Twist up.
Okay, you have to twist. Work your muscles. Okay,
Okay, common mistake. Arms lang yung gumagalaw, ha?
you have to twist even your upper body going to the side. Okay,
Last 15, guys.
make sure there's tension in your abdominals. So make sure your core is tight.
Lift your legs.
Okay,
Last 5. 3,
come on.
2. All right. Okay,
The
next
next
exercise, lateral squat walk. So standing position. Okay, so walk lateral 2 times lang and then back. Okay, so 1, 2, then other side. Okay, back and forth. Okay, so again, as much as possible, yung knee hindi mag-overlap doon sa toes natin. Okay, squat position. Okay,
Okay,
ready? Go! 1, 2, left, left, right, right, left, squat, lower, lower, right, right, left, left, right, right. Last 15.
go guys.
Come on, come on.
Let's do this. 10
Nice.
seconds.
Lower,
Come
lower.
on.
Last 5.
If this is
Nice.
too easy for you, you can use bands also. But for us,
All
we're
right.
doing a full
Next
no,
is,
no resistance. Butt kick. Okay?
okay. So butt kick. So this one lang ha, ililift lang yung legs, yung heel almost touching your butt. Okay? Like that lang. Okay, dorsal flex. Flex your elbow, swing forward and back. Last 5 seconds. We will start. Okay, ready? Set, go! Go, go, go. Next one. Upper body straight. Look forward. Swing arms. Front and back. Heel almost touching your back. Knee not too high. Okay, last 8. Last 5.
Come on, guys.
Let's go.
Keep up.
Let's go. All right. Next.
Next is front lunge to lateral leg lift. So what we're going to do in hands on your hips. Put your feet forward, of course. Make sure in a lunge position, your heels at the back is up. Your foot on the ground
Last
forward, okay? You put a lunge, bring back, lift your leg and exchange. Move forward, down,
Other side.
and then exchange.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Right side first. Ready, set, go. Lunge. Up,
Lift.
lift, left,
Change.
lunge. Nice one. Nice one. Right, back,
Lift.
lift, left, lift,
Lift.
right, lift. Last 5. Nice one. Good job. One more. Okay. Next is push up to
Leg lift.
leg lift. So basically, it's a push up, then 1, 2, then down. Okay. So regress if you cannot do a full push up.
You can do a modified
Modified
one.
lang.
Okay?
Push up lang. Okay. Okay. Ready tayo?
Okay?
Ready. Push up. 1, 2, 3, go. Down, up, lift, lift.
Maintain your core tight.
Nice one.
Do not arc your back when you're
Down.
doing that or push up.
Okay. Good job.
Remember,
Last 13.
not to flare your elbows when you do your push up. Unless you're doing a wide push up.
Yeah, I'm doing the wide. Last 2. One more. 1, 2. All right.
Okay.
Next.
Let's do the front squat, cross body crunch, hands on your head, of course. And then you do squat and then cross. Okay, this is for your obliques and at the same time for your legs.
Okay.
Are you ready? 7 minutes?
Alternate ha? Alternate guys ha?
Yes, let's do alternate.
Right knee to left
Left.
elbow. Okay, ready? Squat. Ready, go, down. Right?
Balik.
It's okay.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Okay, down. Right. Down. Left. Squat.
Remember to breathe.
Right.
Inhale, exhale in every exercise. Don't hold your breath.
Last 10.
Okay, guys, you're doing great.
Next one. Last 4. Nice one.
Okay.
Woo.
Last workout for us, of course, is
Half
burpees. We're gonna do half burpees. Okay, I think everybody's familiar with burpees. Just to review you lower yourself down, extend your legs up. No need to do push up. Just bring it up
And jump.
jump. Okay, that's
Last
the
8.
half burpees. Get ready.
Alright, let's start with this one.
Okay.
Okay, last 3, 2, 1, go. Nice one, guys. Go. Last exercise for the workout natin. Go. Nice one. Last 18.
Come on, guys. Woo!
Last 10. Last 5. And
Good job. Okay. So that ends our main workout. Now, we're just letting you know that, of course, this is a special edition of Move by Solar Sports. Thank you so much for having us. But before anything else, of course, it is important for us to
cool down.
cool down.
Okay. So if bitin pa yung iba, pwede nyo pang ulitin yon ng isa pang set or up to third set. But since this is for the introduction, so 1 set na gagawin natin.
Yes, and also we will be talking more about again. If you have questions regarding any running tips or advice, you can just shoot us the questions there and we'll answer it for you. But for now, let's do a quick cool down. Okay, so that we can answer questions.
Okay, so first let's start with knee hugs lang, standing knee hugs. Okay, let's count lang 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Quads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Arms man. Cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You want to add?
Okay, let's do this one. Hold on to your elbows and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. Left hand to your right elbow. Now pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that ends our cool down exercise. Now, let's just check if we have any questions from our viewers.
Okay, so this one. So, yung ginawa natin for the cool down, stretching, is actually different from the warm up. So, the warm up is dynamic. Yung ginawa nating stretching, yung cool down is static. Okay, because we want to, relax our muscle.
Now we have a question from Florence. Hi, Coach. How many times in a week should we do this routine plus the last week's routine?
Okay, so you can do the last, pwede itong 3 to 4 times a week. Okay, so kung 4, pwedeng tig-dalawa natin. So alternate. So Monday yung last week, and then this one, Wednesday, then the other one. So basta i-ano mo lang siya, alternate para different body muscle yung gagamitin natin.
Oo. Actually, it all depends on the no? Kunwari, you want to have a high intensity workout. What you will do is, of course, we have a 30-second, kunwari, do the exercise for 30 seconds, and then you just do the rest for 5 seconds. You proceed next to the another workout that should be a high intensity interval workout for you.
Yeah,
So,
for advanced naman,
yes.
no rest at all. So after ng lateral hops, skip ka agad. Okay? So no rest at all. But it's really up to you.
Yeah, so it all depends on how you are going to do your workout. If you want it to be high intensity, it also depends on the level of fitness that you are in. Okay?
So next.
We have another question from Melissa. Hi, Coach and Nicole. Is there a good time to do a workout, morning or night?
Well, this is my personal preference. No, I actually like to work out in the morning. So the reason why is mas less stress when you wake up in the morning. Unlike in the afternoon, you actually did a lot of work na, di ba? If you're going to office, di ba, you're drained na physically and mentally. And then in the afternoon, so for me, hindi na 100%. But in the morning, galing ka sa rest, and then you do your workout.
Yes, for me also, it's the same. I like working out in the morning because I feel so fresh. And everything else at night or in the evening or in the afternoon, sometimes there's a tendency for us to be lazy because we have so many reasons already at hand, diba? So it's always good that when we wake up, we already work out. But the best thing for me is you have to plan things out well the night before. Para at least you have a time and a schedule set. And then when you wake up, okay, I'll follow this.
So again,
diba?
this is different from each individual kasi meron tayong morning person and evening person.
Right.
Diba? So mas preferred nila yon.
So do what works for you, okay? You have to feel it. Try it in the morning, try it in the afternoon, try it in the evening. Whichever works for you, you do it. I hope we answered your question, Melissa. We have another question. Coach, does this type of workout advisable for someone who wants to gain mass?
Okay. So for me to gain mass, you need put weights.
Yes.
Diba? So this one is actually more on high intensity. So no equipment. But of course, some strength workout, pwede ring body weights.
So actually for this kind of workout, you can use weights. This one, the one that we did, is a beginner workout because we didn't use any weight. We just used our body weight. So for you to increase and to have body mass, to increase your muscle mass, what you need to do is to add weights. Like, diba, what we did fire hydrant crunch. When you do that one, you use a band. You can use a resistant bands. In that way, there's more resistance on you that will increase strength and at the same time muscle mass. You can also do weights doing your front lunge to lateral leg lift. So it all depends. We just gave you a simple beginner workout. Just tweak it, add weights or any resistance for you to increase the intensity.
Yes.
Hello, Coach and Nicole. What is a simple exercise for a senior? That's from Mayet.
Okay.
Hi, Mayet.
So, depende doon sa capability nung senior natin. Some can actually move perfectly, but some with limited. So, I suggest yung mga simple exercises, movements lang, no, na kaya ng individual.
For of course, seniors, we also have to check their medical condition. Of course, get a clearance from the doctor. But the simplest thing for you to do is for me, it depends also on the level of your fitness. If kaya naman din, you came from you've been doing workouts, then I think you can do with weights, but minimal, not so much. So just for a free body weight workout, just sitting down, you can already tone your muscles. Sitting up, down, up, down. This way, you're also putting tension on your upper body. Sorry. And then for standing up and sitting down, you can use a chair. Just sit up, down, sit up, down. That one, may ano yun eh. There's at least something that is holding you off when you sit down, so diba? And then you push
para
off.
Para hindi ka ma-outbalance.
Yes.
Okay, so other alternate for our A-skip, diba? For movement kasi baka medyo hard na to. So pwede nating alternate is march lang. Okay? Okay, marching. But slow lang for our senior. Pwede rin gawin ganun. Okay?
So I think simple exercises will do. Just walking around, just increase your heart rate for a certain level. And then if you were able to get the hang of it, and then you continue and then increase.
Okay.
So I think we answered all your questions. If you have any more, just please shoot out. But before anything else, we would like, of course, to let you know
Mhm.
that
To say thank you to
Yes.
Solar Sports for this special edition of Move. And guys, follow them and subscribe to Solar Sports FB
YouTube
and
account.
YouTube channel.
Okay, so abangan natin yung next na sports content ng Solar Sports kasi sila ay pagpatuloy na magre-release ng mga sports and workouts or whatever. So just please stay tuned and of course follow and subscribe them so that you'll know what's their next content will be. But for us, we would like to, of course, thank you everyone for joining us again. For those who joined us the first time, thank you for joining us the second time.
Yes, yes. And another tips lang, especially doon sa mga runners natin na I think this is the perfect time to improve your weaknesses sa running. So yung mga exercises na ginawa natin, again, nakakatulong siya doon sa mga small muscles na hindi natin nagagamit sa normal na routine natin kapag tumatakbo tayo. Okay? So again, thank you everyone. My name is Coach Rio.
And I am, of course, Nicole De La Cruz. And I would like to invite you to please follow us also in our Instagram account. So Rio's Instagram account is
Coach_Rio316.
And also follow me at Nicole W. De La Cruz for my Instagram account. So guys, thank you so much for joining us. It's really a pleasure to work out with you, and we are happy that we had a sweat session with you guys. Thank you, Move and Solar Sports, for having us.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Thank you, RB, Gian, Woodridge. Thank you.
So, pwede
Buena
ulit
fe.
gawin second set and third set after this.
Yes, di ba? Pwede to.
Okay, less recovery ha. Ginawa natin kanina 30 seconds, so you can do 5 to 10 seconds. Okay?
Yes.
Bye, guys.
Bye, everyone. Sige,